Welcome to the Best Picks. The best cross wrench is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any mechanics or DIY enthusiast's arsenal, offering unparalleled leverage and access in tight spaces where traditional wrenches simply can't reach. Its unique design, featuring 4 sockets of varying sizes arranged in a cross shape, allows for quick and efficient tightening or loosening of nuts and bolts from multiple angles, making it an essential item for automotive repairs, bicycle maintenance, and general household tasks. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, having a reliable cross wrench can significantly speed up your work and prevent stripped bolts, ensuring a smoother and more successful project completion every time. Number 5. WorkPro 14-inch Universal Folding Lug Wrench. Introducing the WorkPro 14-inch Universal Folding Lug Wrench. It's designed for ultimate convenience and reliability. Crafted from chrome-plated, drop-forged steel, this wrench offers exceptional torque, strength, and lasting durability for any task. Its innovative folding design makes storage a breeze, perfect for keeping in your vehicle's emergency kit. This versatile tool is universally compatible with cars, light trucks, SUVs, RVs, and vans, ensuring you're always prepared. It includes all the essential SAE and metric sizes you need: 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8 inches, and their metric equivalent 17, 19, 21, and 23 millimeters. Rest assured, it meets and exceeds ANSI specifications, providing added safety and peace of mind during use. What we like. This wrench features a convenient folding design for easy storage, making it perfect for any roadside emergency kit. Its chrome-plated, drop-forged steel construction ensures it can handle tough jobs. If you prioritize compact storage and a reliable tool for unexpected situations, this is the one for you. What people say. The cross wrench is a sturdy tool that fits snugly onto lug nuts. It provides excellent leverage for loosening tight lug nuts, making tire changes much easier. The compact design makes it easy to store in a vehicle's emergency kit. Number 4. CARTMAN 14-inch Heavy-Duty 4-Way Universal Cross Lug Wrench. Introducing the CARTMAN 14-inch Heavy-Duty 4-Way Universal Cross Lug Wrench. It's built with a sturdy, thick steel structure for effortless vehicle tire maintenance. Crafted from forged, heat-treated carbon steel, this tool is designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. You can count on it for years to come. Its chrome-plated finish protects against rust and corrosion, ensuring an extended tool life. This means it will stay in great condition even with frequent use. With a 14-inch body length, it provides excellent leverage. This makes loosening and tightening lug nuts incredibly easy, requiring minimal effort on your part. This wrench offers universal compatibility with 4 socket heads. They fit most common SAE and metric lug nut sizes, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. It includes lug sizes 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, along with their metric equivalents, 17 mm, 19 mm, 21 mm, and 22 mm. You'll have the right size for almost any job. The convenient 4-way cross-shaped design allows for quick access to multiple socket sizes. This means you won't have to waste time searching for different tools. What we like. Built with sturdy, heat-treated carbon steel, this wrench offers long-lasting performance and resistance to rust. The 14-inch body provides excellent leverage for effortless lug nut changes. If you're looking for a robust and durable tool that makes tire maintenance easier, this heavy-duty option is a great choice. What people say. The cross wrench is very sturdy and well-made. It fits perfectly on lug nuts and makes changing tires much easier. The compact design allows for easy storage in a car. Number 3. CARTMAN 16-inch Heavy-Duty Non-Slip 4-Way Universal Cross Lug Wrench. Introducing the ultimate tool for roadside emergencies. This heavy-duty wrench makes changing a tire simple and fast. Its non-slip grip ensures a secure hold, giving you confidence while loosening stubborn lug nuts. You can trust it for a safe and stable experience. Crafted with a robust cross structure and extra protection centers, this wrench is built to last. It provides exceptional strength for any job. This versatile tool fits multiple lug sizes, including 17 mm, 19 mm, 21 mm, and 22 mm. It's designed to work with a wide range of vehicles. As America's premier professional lug wrench, it's the perfect choice for cars, light trucks, SUVs, RVs, and vans. Get the job done right. The chrome-plated finish not only looks great but also provides extra protection against corrosion. This ensures its longevity and performance. What we like. Experience a secure hold with its non-slip grip, ensuring safety and control during tire changes. The robust cross structure and extra protection centers provide enhanced strength and durability. If you value a secure and comfortable grip while working, especially in challenging conditions, this wrench is ideal. What people say. The cross wrench is a great tool for changing tires. It is very sturdy and well made. The wrench is easy to use and provides good leverage. Number 2. EPAuto 14 Heavy-Duty Universal Lug Wrench. Introducing the EPAuto 14-inch Heavy-Duty Universal Lug Wrench. This essential tool is designed for maximum durability and ease of use. Crafted from forged, heat-treated carbon steel, it's built to withstand tough jobs. You can rely on its strength for years to come. Featuring a chrome-plated finish, it resists corrosion, ensuring it stays in great condition even with frequent use. This protects your investment. With a 14-inch body length, it provides excellent leverage, making lug nut removal and tightening significantly easier. You'll appreciate the added power. Equipped with 4 socket heads, it offers a universal fit for most common SAE and metric lug nut sizes. This versatility makes it a go-to tool for various vehicles. The SAE sizes included are 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, and 7/8 inches. These cover a wide range of common applications. It also includes metric sizes, 17 mm, 19 mm, 21 mm, and 22 mm. This comprehensive set ensures you're prepared for almost any situation. What we like. This wrench is crafted from forged, heat-treated carbon steel for superior durability and a chrome-plated finish for corrosion resistance. Its 14-inch length offers ample leverage for loosening and tightening lug nuts. If you need a reliable, corrosion-resistant tool that provides good leverage for everyday use, this is a solid pick. What people say. The cross wrench is a versatile tool that can be used for various tasks. It is made of durable material and is built to last. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use. Number 1. Mr. Penn Small Adjustable Wrench. Introducing the Mr. Penn Small Adjustable Wrench, a versatile tool designed for your everyday needs. It's compact at 6 inches, making it easy to handle and store. Its unique hex-shaped jaw opens up to 3/4 inch, providing a secure grip on various fasteners. This design ensures efficiency and reduces the risk of slippage. Crafted from heat-treated carbon steel, this wrench is built to last. It offers exceptional durability and resistance to corrosion, ensuring long-term performance. Quickly identify the right size with etched SAE and metric measurements. This feature simplifies your work, saving you valuable time. Experience smooth and accurate adjustments thanks to its precision-constructed slide jaw and worm gear. It allows for effortless fine-tuning for the perfect fit. What we like. This compact 6-inch wrench features an adjustable hex-shaped jaw that opens up to 3/4 inch, making it versatile for various fasteners. It's made from durable, heat-treated carbon steel and clearly marked with both SAE and metric sizes. If you need a small, adjustable tool for quick fixes or working with smaller fasteners, this is a convenient option. What people say. The cross wrench is a versatile tool that can be used for various tasks. It is made of high-quality materials and is built to last. The ergonomic design of the cross wrench makes it comfortable to hold and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.